How to make sure your artwork prints perfectly. 1. Use our templates. Please make sure to use our templates, which you can download from the template page. We offer design templates for Illustrator, Photoshop, and Canva. If you're not sure how to set up the template in Canva, feel free to contact us. We can share a Canva link with the product template already prepared for you. Of course, you can also use our online design tool to make simple edits directly. 2. Follow the template guidelines. Please follow the template guidelines carefully when placing your design. We also provide detailed design guides for Photoshop, Illustrator, and Canva to help you set everything up correctly. 3. Let us check your logo or images. If you're not sure whether your logo or images are high enough quality for printing, you can send them to us first. Our professional artwork team can check them for you before you place your order or start designing. 4. Preview your artwork with our 3D Mockup tool. Once your artwork is ready, you can upload it to our online 3D Mockup tool to preview it instantly and make sure everything fits perfectly on your product. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We look forward to receiving your artwork.